Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah wabarakatuh. How are you, dear students? I hope you are well. When you see narration, you feel variation. There is no inspiration to remove that impression. But I want to give some inspiration to remove that impression from your mind today. I think you have got the point. Which point I will focus on today? Yes, I want to focus on narration today. So, let's be acquainted with some rules of narration today. Okay, now I will explain the method of doing narration in a rhythmic way. রিপোর্টিং ভার প্রেজেন্ট অথবা ফিউচার টেন্সের জানা, রিপোর্টেড স্পিচের টেন্স পরিবর্তন মানা। If the reporting verb is present or future, we should not change the tense of reported speech. This is the rule. Okay, example. Hassan says, I am writing a letter. Hassan says that he is writing a letter. I am writing present continuous, he is writing present continuous. We have not changed the tense in reported speech here. Then যখন হয় রিপোর্টিং বার ফার্স্ট টেন্স, রিপোর্টেড স্পিচ প্রেজেন্ট থেকে পাস্ট অ্যাকর্ডিং টু করসপন্ডিং সেন্স। If the reporting verb is past tense, then we have to change the tense of reported speech according to that form. So, example, Rana said to me, I am eating rice. Reporting verb is said here, it is past tense, so I am eating rice, present continuous, will be changed into past continuous tense. Rana told me that he was eating rice. রিপোর্টিং ভার ও রিপোর্টেড স্পিচ ফার্স্ট টেন্সের হলে ফার্স্ট ইনডেফিনিট থেকে ফার্স্ট পারফেক্ট টেন্স হলেই চলে। If reporting verb and reported speech both are in first tense, then we have to change the reported speech into indefinite to perfect. Example, Ava said, I went to college. This is past indefinite tense. Ava said that she had gone to college. Past perfect tense. So, when reporting verb is past tense and reported speech also past tense, we have to change the reported speech into past perfect tense. Then, reported speech er first person, reporting verb er subject. Reported speech er second person, reporting verb er object. We have to change the pronoun. So, here is the example. Raju said, I am staying at home. Raju is third person singular. In the reported speech, we have here first person. So this first person will be changed according to this person, according to subject. So Raju said that he. I is transferred to he as Raju is third person. So Raju said that he was staying at home. He said to me, you are a fool. Me is object here. So this is second person in reported speech. Second person should be changed according to object. Object is me. So we have to change you into I. He told me that I was a fool. Then ক্যান থাকলে কুড, উইল থাকলে উড, আর মে হয় মাইট। দিস হবে দ্যাট, হেয়ার হবে দেয়ার, অ্যাগোতে বিফোর হবে রাইট। We have to change some words which are in direct narration. We have to change them according to this rule into indirect narration. Example, he said I can do well in the exam. He said that he could do well in the exam. Can into could. So we have to change all these words into like this. Yesterday or last থাকলে the previous হয়, tomorrow or next হলে the following রয়। Example, she said my father went last night. She said that her father had gone the previous night. Last night has been changed to previous night. I said I will buy a book tomorrow. Tomorrow. I said that I will to would buy a book the following day. Tomorrow has been changed to the following day. ইন্টারোগেটিভ সেন্টেন্স অক্সিলারি দ্বারা হলে আস্ক এবং অবজেক্টের ফর ইফ হলে চলে। When we have interrogative sentence, we have to change in this structure. Following this structure, Meena said to me, are you going to college? Meena asked me if I was going to college. We say said is transformed to ask. Said is past tense, so you have to use here asked, past tense of ask. Object me and if, as here is auxiliary verb. I think it is clear to you. Then interrogative sentence pronoun দ্বারা হলে ask এবং অবজেক্টের পর pronounটিই রবে। If we start an interrogative sentence with a pronoun, then we have to use that pronoun in the reported speech. We should not change it. This is an example. I asked Jerry, what is your name? I asked Jerry what his name was. What remain unchanged? What here? ইম্পারেটিভের সমাধানে লাগে না কোনো ডিভাইস। রিপোর্টিং ভার্ব হয়ে যাবে রিকোয়েস্ট, অর্ডার, অ্যাডভাইস। এক্সাম্পল, ফাদার সেড টু মি রেসপেক্ট ইউর টিচার্স। ফাদার অ্যাডভাইসড মি টু রেসপেক্ট মাই টিচার্স। In imperative sentence, we express request, order, or advice. So we have to use these three words according to the sense. This is said. So this said indicates advice. That is why we used here advised. যদি দেখো সামনে তুমি অপটেটিভ সেন্টেন্স, উইশ অথবা প্রে বসাও, খাটাই তোমার সেন্স। এক্সাম্পল, মাদার সেড টু মি, মে আল্লাহ সেভ ইউ। Mother prayed that Allah might save me. So, in optative sentence, we may use pray or wish. It may depend on your desire. Okay. Exclamatory. এক্সক্লেমেটরি সেন্টেন্স অতি সহজে করো। আনন্দ বুঝালে জয় হয়, দুঃখ হলে সরো। উই মে এক্সপ্রেস আওয়ার জয়, সরো অ্যান্ড সাডেন ফিলিং। সো ইফ উই ওয়ান্ট টু এক্সপ্রেস happiness, then we should use joy, and if we want to express sadness, then we should use sorrow. So this is an example. He said, hurrah, we have won the match. He exclaimed with joy that they had won the match. Then We have some more rules for passage narration. Here are that rules which will be used for passage narration. যেখানেই থাকুক রিপোর্টিং ভার্ব বসবে শুরুতে, কম নম্বরে সমালোচনা লাগে মেরুতে। Okay, reporting verb, if the reporting verb is in the last of the sentence, we have to use it at the beginning of the sentence. Example, I suppose we are in danger, said Meena. Reporting verb is Meena. Reporting verb is said here at the last of the sentence, but we have to use it at the beginning of the sentence. Meena said that she supposed they are in danger. কোনো বক্তার একাধিক উক্তিতে দিতে হয় অ্যাড, ভুল উত্তরে কম নম্বর হতে হয় স্যাড। এক্সাম্পল, returning home my father said to me, your progress is very slow, you are always seen with a group of friends. In the returning home my father said to me that my progress was very slow. He added, this is second sentence of my father. So when we want to add that sentence, we have to use add. So added is past tense of add. He added that I was always seen with a group of friends. Yes থাকলে replied in the affirmative, sir a respectfully, no a negative. If in the passage narration in reported speech there is yes, then we have to use replied in the affirmative. If there is no, then we should use replied in the negative. And if there is sir, then we should use respectfully. Okay, example, no, they replied, we have never been in this place before. They replied in the negative that they had never been in that place before. For no, we have used here replied in the negative. Okay, then, I'm sorry sir, said the boy. The boy respectfully replied that he was sorry. Instead of sorry, we have used in indirect narration respectfully. We have to remember this rule. গুড মর্নিং বা ইভিনিং থাকলে দিতে হয় উইশ, গুড বাই থাকলে বিট হবে নইলে করবা মিস। If there is good morning, we have to use wish, and if there is goodbye, we have to use bid. Direct, the teacher said to the students, good morning. The teacher wished. Said is past tense, that is why we have used wished, past tense of wish. The students and good morning. Hassan said to me goodbye. Hassan bade me goodbye. Bade is past tense of bid. Here is said, so we have to use here past tense. I think the rules are clear to you. Do you feel happy now? I think you do. Thank you very much.